What if I told you that you can build an AI employee that reads your emails, understands what they mean, writes replies, and works even when you're sleeping? By the end of this video, we're going to have a working AI agent, something that can actually receive information, think about it, and take an action. And I'm going to build it from scratch so you can, even if you've never built automation before.
First, there's one important difference you need to understand. A chatbot waits for you. An AI agent is different. You give it access to information, and you give it permission to take an action.
Here. Here's our experiment. Someone sends me an email. The agent detects it, the AI reads it. It decides what kind of response makes sense.
We only need three things. First, an automation platform. I'm using NA10. Second, an AI model. And third, an application.
Step one is the trigger. Think of the trigger as the alarm clock for your AI agent. We're telling it, wake up. So every time a new email arrives, our workflow starts. But right now, this isn't really an AI agent.
Now we're giving this automation a brain. I'm not just saying reply. I'm giving it a clear job description. Read it, understand intent, and don't send anything.
Here's a mistake beginners make. They think the AI is smart enough to figure everything out. It isn't. The more clearly you define the job, the more predictable the agent becomes. Our AI can now understand the email and create a response. But there's a problem. Where does that response go? That's where the action comes in. I'm telling the work and save it as a Gmail draft. And there's one thing I strongly recommend. Don't give your first AI agent permission to send emails automatically. Let it create the draft first. You review it, then you decide whether it gets sent. Okay, this is the moment. I'm sending myself a real email. Now let's see what happens. There, the workflow just triggered. The AI is reading the email, and we have a draft. I didn't write that, the agent did. And this is actually pretty good. But notice something. It isn't perfect. And that's exactly why you shouldn't blindly trust an AI agent. Mistake number one. Vague instructions. Don't tell your agent to handle my emails. Tell it exactly what you want it to do. Mistake number two, no stop condition. If your workflow can trigger itself, you can accidentally create a loop. And mistake number three, turning it on before testing it. Always run the workflow manually first. Use test data. Watch what the AI actually does. Mid-eating preview 3.
In 2026, the grind changed. Intelligent agents now handle the noise, leaving us free to actually create. AI isn't replacing the modern workforce. It's handling the busy work, mapping data and managing research, so we can focus on what matters.
So let's make this ridiculously simple. 1. Give your agent a trigger. 2. Connect an AI brain. 3. Tell it exactly what to do. 4. Give it an action. And 5. Test it before you trust it.
In the next video, I'm an AI agent that doesn't make it research information, make research informations, and complete a task from start to finish. If you want to see that, subscribe to Future IQ.
Subscribe to Future IQ for your daily dose of AI learning. Don't forget to like and share this video. Save it now, because our journey is just beginning. To be continued.